Hello, today I will show you how to customize a new game in 7 days to die. First, go and press New Game. Right here, choose your game name. You can customize your new world to any that you would like. I will go back to the first world. You can, as you can see the world size. You can enable chunk persistence to short, medium, long, very long and unlimited. In the general sections you have you can set up your own server and in which region you want it to be. You want to friends only, the server not listed at all, or make it public. You can set up a password. As you can see, you can choose how many max players you want in your game, from 16 down to 2. You can change the game difficulty settings from scavenger to insane. You can turn on persistent profiles, change the XP multiplier, change the 24-hour cycle to 60 minutes at minimum, maximum 60 minutes at the basics, 10 minutes at the minimum, 120 minutes at the maximum. You can change also the day length from 18 hours down to 12. Well, then right into the basics, you can change many different options to customize your gameplay experience however you like. Here are the advanced settings, and here is multiplayer. Notable options are in advanced creative mode, if you want to play, just play, experiment, learn, it's good for that. Daily quest progression limit, you can change it to however much you want. Death penalty in XP, drop on death. Also player killing in multiplayer, claiming settings, bedroll duration, and well, claim size, for example. As you can see, there are many different settings, and well, I would have to explore them further for myself. You can also go and reset everything to default. You can also manage your saves. As you can see, there are some saves, some worlds with saves. For example, here I have my original game. When you are happy with for example, what you choose, simply press start and the world will start generating. As you can see, when the world is ready, you can simply press spawn and you will be loaded right in to the game. Ta! And here we are in the game. That's it. Now go explore, complete challenges, complete quests, and have fun. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.